Everything here is so like interesting. It's interesting to live in a house that is like
This is historical, you know.
few hundred
Look at
years
this.
old.
This is very old. This is like Ottoman writings there. Hey, what? Wow, look at this guy.
Oh. That was a very loud bark.
This big doggy.
Rüzgar uçuruyor beni.
Vallahi ya çok rüzgarlı. She's saying it's
Yeah.
very windy.
Yeah,
It's blowing me away, she said.
it is blowing us away.
Benim çıkamayacağım. Rüzgardan çıkamayacağım. Tut bunu.
Ha, she wants help, come.
Allah yarabbim. Orada bir kapıyı sen gidelim. Rüzgar çok rüzgar tutmam.
She cannot climb up, that's why.
Yeah, wind blowing, pushing her, she said.
Çek çek.
Nerede oturuyorsun sen? Ha, misafirle gezmeye gittin.
She came to visit some friends here, and it's very steep.
Tamam be oldu çocuk.
İyi, tamam.
Gönlüm Murat Allah razı olsun.
That much she needed.
That's much. Yeah, just it's very steep. Even for me, it's steep. Bernie, good morning from Dublin. Very nice to see you here, Bernie. Oh, these are lovely views.
Oh, I see very old, nice house in back there, you know.
Tatiana from Ukraine. Добрый день.
Can you zoom this roof over there with little windows? It's very unique. Behind that, you see that?
Yeah, I see them. Yılmaz, merhaba. Edith, hello.
Look, this is part of Kervansaray, these walls.
Oh, and people are using them as
Part of houses, you know.
part of their housing.
Let's go to that end. You want to go?
Uh-huh. Wow. Mary, good morning. Waterford Island. Good morning to everyone in Ireland. And again we see this beautiful
This
view.
wall is old.
So this is so unique, you know, there's this old wall that is left over and people actually live here. Like,
They use it as a wall of the house,
yeah, like these doors are the entrances
of the castle.
of their houses right now. And it's like, imagine, so amazing to live here. You know? Look at this. Wow. So you basically would enter.
Let's go, don't go down. We go up again to the other side. You want to go?
Wow. It's very beautiful here, right? Rob, again, some picture opportunities. Mena, good morning. Cynthia, good morning. Heidi says, is that near the Gold Moon Hotel?
Gold Moon, no, you have to walk a little bit that way. Golden Moon, she's apartment, you remember?
Ah,
in
yeah,
India?
yeah. This is a little bit the other side. Serkano, you coming in August? Iki pasimatymą. Ha! Very nice. He says in Lithuanian. See you. Wow, this is very nice. Yeah, and you have a little garden here.
Little sea view.
And your sea view. Let's go see the sea view house. And later we can go there maybe. Let's see. Wow, so this house has a nice view then from their windows. Yeah, I imagine this is like their balcony, so what they're looking at is just quite beautiful.
Here the Kervansaray.
Wow. A really nice view that they have. Yeah, I like it very much. And now we will turn right, is that okay?
No, there's nothing there. We go up and left and go backwards. Huh? I will bring them somewhere else. Come. I will bring you a nice place.
Okay. I don't want to walk the same streets. I want to go new places.
So if some people came to Kuşadası like 35 years ago, probably they've been in that street and stayed in that hotels now we will walk. It's not popular area anymore, but it's still very popular, like for backpackers.
Okay, bring us. Wow, I'm having a hard time a little bit on the steep hill. And I'm getting warmer now because of that walk. Debbie says I want to be there so much.
Down there and we're gonna turn right. The area you wanted before.
Okay. Heidi says all good. Thank you, Heidi. Good to know. Martine says good on Facebook. All right. Stella from Scotland. Very nice to see you all. Scotland and Ireland, Germany and Hungary and Ukraine and Lithuania. Laba diena visiems lietuviams.
So in this street there are a lot of hostels, small hotels, like this one and over there.
Hotel how you say this? Sezgin. So what does that mean, Sezgin?
It's a name, man's name. They have swimming pool there, you know, nice bar, you can see a little bit, look. Very nice middle hall. Looks nice karma there, yeah? Nice feeling.
Oh yeah. That's nice. This is the Ephesia? No.
Efesian, yeah.
Ephesion.
Look at this, such an old house too, you know.
Maria from Serbia. Robert from Scotland and Isla from Germany. Wow. Very nice.
That's go to the other side there.
Oh, it's interesting. Catherine says YouTube is a bit ahead of Facebook. So YouTube shows the view first and Facebook has a little delay. That's interesting.
Nice banner, yeah? This one?
Yeah, Old Town something.
They're open right now, I think. They put this signs here.
It's really nice street, this one.
Boutique hotel, they say.
Yeah. So we are getting closer to the old bar street, is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this house. Wait, I'll zoom out. Like, look at this house. Look, it says Seni seviyorum on the side. I love you. Somebody loves someone. Look at this. Old house. Yeah. P and D. That is interesting. Wow. So this is the style of houses that they had 100 years ago. Many of them, as you see, were made of wood, and now you can see the wood. Yeah, this is definitely very interesting.
This is, I think, first school in Turkey, in Kuşadası, sorry.
Huh?
First school in Kuşadası.
Wow, this looks like a royal palace.
Yeah.
Very nice.
They had a backyard, I think.
Yeah. Wow, look at this door. So you think it's operational?
Now they use it as some office.
Ah. Yeah, some government office, something.
Yeah, related to education.
Uh-huh. So how these cars don't roll back? Because...
That used to be nice restaurants here, baby.
Yeah?
Yeah. Long time, one more next to them there, down there. Used to be very nice restaurants here.
Oh, interesting. So now it's just empty land. We could buy it and build something.
There is one more here. Oh, this is the same place. You see? You can see now how nice it is.
But for sure it's like historical wall.
Yeah. You see green paintings.
Look, it says Satılık long time ago. You can see
Yeah,
the
nobody
signs.
bought it.
Nobody bought it.
It's
Maybe.
connection. Look, it's connect there too. They had little hotel too, you know, and restaurant.
You know, you'd probably have to get some permits because historical place, they will not let you like completely
think-
break it down.
They had fire. Look, I can see fires. They had fire. They stopped the fire, and stayed like that. I remember there was one more floor on it until there, when I was kid.
Yeah, when there's so
Yeah.
much wood inside, definitely fires are prone to happen. Because in the summer it gets so hot, the fire can happen from just like a broken glass piece.
Another boutique hotel here, up there.
Where? Right here?
I don't know where is it, but you go up. Let's go up.
So here we are.
This is kind of rocks matching here.
You know, in Lithuania we have a lot of these, and in Europe a lot of
Yeah.
towns have those. But I think these are more recent years. Yeah, they're not like from the old time.
Yeah.
They just made it beautiful matching here. Very nice. So where are we gonna end up?
I don't know.
You are our guide. You cannot say I don't know.
Many years I didn't be here.
Kuşadası local you are. I'm only 2 years here.
Oh, this street is very nice here.
Yeah.
Oh, the pension is here, the hotel. Let's walk a little bit.
Okay, let's check it out. That's nice. Heidi, you will come back next year? Yeah, come back this year in October.
The school backyard we see now.
Yeah? Wait, I want to show. Where? Ah. Wow, this building very nice.
Yeah. We could live in this.
So people live in these houses, yeah.
This is hotel.
So what hotel is this? It says here, Anzac Golden Bed Pension. BYO drinks. What's BYO? Buy your own drinks? Bring your own drinks. Interesting. You can bring your own drinks. Oh, that's cool. Wow, this gate. Nice ornaments.
They have sea views, I think, up there.
It says,
The
sorry,
rooms.
we are closed. So I'm guessing they're closed for the season right now. But it's nice, look at this old wall that they have. Must be looking very
They
nice
have
inside.
gardens, I think, also.
You know, when we come back, sometime when the hotel is open,
Wow, huge empty lands here, you know.
I'm just gonna peek through. Can I see? Just want to see it. I see just like green grass behind there.
Yeah.
But they take care of the plants, so they must be living here too.
This one looks like some design of some hotel.
Veli says Kuşadası şahane. What's a şahane?
It's marvelous. Something like awesome. Awesome.
So here's the Turkish lesson for you all.
Şahane. It's
Şahane.
awesome.
Yeah. Very nice. There's the mosque right there. So let's go to the right. What do you think we'll find there? Is there somewhere we can end up?
I don't know. We'll see.
It's interesting, this grassy area, like nobody has anything.
Maybe I never been in that street before.
No?
Maybe one time when I was kid. I don't remember.
So Mustafa's story is this. He was born here. He lived here for how many years before you left?
Until 26.
Until 26. And then he left to explore the world, where he met me eventually.
Yeah.
Then we lived in Canada for a while, for years, and then we came here to retire to
and
Kuşadası.
cruise ships we worked.
We worked on cruise ships, and here's our retirement town. So if you're considering retiring in some city, this is the best place to retire. At any age you could do it. We're calling it retirement, but we obviously work.
Some birds, yeah?
We work online, and therefore it makes sense for us. So if you do have a job that allows you to work remotely, then you definitely could move to Kuşadası, enjoy the nice weather, nice food, warm, sunny, everything organic, affordable clothing, affordable living.
Nice backyard, nice wall. I like that wall like this.
Yeah,
Nice renovated.
somebody's garden.
Yeah, backyard of this. I don't know. This is some house or some historical.
Yeah, people actually living in these houses and no problem. Some of them are falling apart, but some of them seem like staying strong and still.
These are like oldest houses in Kuşadası. No, nothing older than this around. They're oldest.
Oh, Villa Konak Hotel.
Ah, yeah, this is historical. One writer used to live here, and she wrote a very famous book, and government protects that building.
Which one is that?
This one, Çalıkuşu.
Ah, this one.
She lived here.
So who's that?
Famous writer,
Famous writer.
and she wrote a book. I think Çalıkuşu. The name is Çalıkuşu.
What's that mean, Çalıkuşu?
Is a bird for very little birds. They stand on very fragile branches on the tree.
Ah, okay.
That kind of bird.
Okay.
Look.
Ah, Çalıkuşu. Okay.